everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. My name is Bakyt and I'll be helping you throughout this process. It's the second part of the auxiliary parts of speech. If you haven't seen the previous episode on conjunctions, go and check that out. So today, we're going to learn about the linking words in Kyrgyz. Linking words are those which do not express lexical meaning and when standing on their own, but give additional meaning to the other words. They are called jandochtor. There are 4 types of linking words. Each type of them is different according to the noun's case that it comes with. So the first is atoch menen айкашкан jandoch. There are the linking words coming with the nominative case. For instance, туралуу, жөнүндө, боюнча. They all mean the word about. And another one is аркылуу, which means through or via. For instance, Azim келечек жөнүндө дайыма ойлонот. Azim always thinks about the future. The word келечек or future is in the nominative case as the answer questions kim and emne. If you forgot about the noun's cases, check out the video episodes 9 through 14. Another one is маалыматты электрондук почта аркылуу алдым. I received the information via email. Similarly, the word почта, which means email, is in the nominative case. Another one is табыш менен айкашкан jandoch. It's linking words coming with the accusative case. They are көздөй, which means towards, to карай, which means towards as well. For example, студенттер университетти көздөй кетип жатышат. Students are going to the university. Another one is Nursultan кызыл үйдү карай жөнөдү. Nursultan went towards the red house. The third is барыш менен айкашкан jandoch. There are the linking words coming with the dative case. There are караганда, which means rather than, чейин, which means until, and карай, карата, which mean towards. These linking words are used in both dative and accusative cases, by the way. So let's see an example. Амирден караганда Актандын бою узун. Актан is taller than Amir. Барсбек кечки саат 11-ге чейин тапшырма аткарат. Барсбек does his homework until 11 in the night. And the last one is чыгыш менен айкашкан jandoch. There are the linking words coming with the ablative case. There are көрө, which means instead, кийин, which means after, and мурда and мурун, which both mean before. For example, таксиден көрө жөө эле үйгө жетип алабыз. We can walk home instead of taking a taxi. Фаруктан кийин эч ким отурушка барган жок. After Faruk, no one went to the party. Jasmine бизден мурда жумушту бүтүрүптүр. Jasmine finished the work before us. Yay, that was a lot of stuff to learn. Keep it up. Now, let's play a game again. We should read the sentence and try to put the correct linking words with the matching context. So the sentence is Медерге, мектепке, linking word, университетте окуган көбүрөөк жагат. Медер likes to study at university more rather than at high school. So which linking word should you put? So the right answer is караганда. Let's see another example. Ал жумушту аткарарда, linking word, менден кеңеш сурат. Before doing the task, ask for advice from me. So which one should you put? So the right answer is чейин. Алар жакшы уктап алгандан, linking word, жакшыраак көрсөткүч көрсөтүштү. After sleeping well, they performed much better. So which one should you put? The right answer is кийин. Султан жумушунда кечки саат 9-га, linking word, калат. Sultan stays at his job until 9 in the evening. So what is the right one? So the correct answer is чейин. And the next one is Айтурган китепкананы, linking word, кетип жатты. Айтурган was going to a library. So which one should you put? The right answer is көздөй. And the last one is Жаңы ачылган ресторан, linking word. Мен азыр гана билдим. I just found out about the newly opened restaurant. So what is the right answer? So the right answer is жөнүндө. Great job so far. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you think this lesson was useful, you may like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned. We want you to learn. Görüşkünce.